Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. As you can see, there will be an accent nail in red, a couple of Frenchies and some chrome. So if you wanna see how I created these nails, stay tuned. I already placed the nails on the stand. These are nail tips from Shein on the medium square length. And I'm already going ahead with a nude color from Model Ones. I purchased this on a set from Amazon. And the next color is a red from the brand Ilsa. I purchased this on Amazon as well. As you can tell, Amazon is one of my favorite places to shop. Anyways, I cured each layer for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp. And now I'm going to create a Frenchie and I'm using a gel liner from Born Pretty. Yes, it's very hard to create Frenchies. I've been doing this for a while and I still struggle. So what I do, I take a brush, dip in acetone, and I clean the Frenchies just to make it look the way I want it. And you can use alcohol as well to clean messes, but acetone is way faster and so it will save you time because you will get a crispier line cleaning with acetone. Once I'm done with the Frenchies, I'm curing it for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp, and I'm gonna move on now to create some chrome accent. And chrome attaches very well to black gel polish. That's why I'm using this black gel polish here. This is another liner gel from Born Pretty as well. So don't forget to check the description box below for the links so you can purchase this for yourself from the Born Pretty website if you like. So I'm gonna be curing this as well for 60 seconds and I'm gonna be using gold chrome from the brand Imeili. I purchased that set on Amazon again. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is get an applicator like this, like a shadow applicator that you can purchase anywhere, and just rub it in very well so the chrome attaches very well. And if you have any excess by accident, you can just clean it with a brush with acetone, very careful. As well, I see people, they apply matte top coat before they do a chrome design, or they even buff the nail tips to avoid the chrome attaching to anything else other than the intended design. And now I'm moving on to some cute stickers. I already created an ombre inside the accent nail with a sponge. And then I'm using these beautiful stickers from Shein. I'm using Beetle's top coat. I'm gonna be curing that for 60 seconds and I'm gonna be just doing a final reshaping of the nails and then I will show you the final results. And this is how the nails are looking in a cute press-on box that I purchased on Shein. I just keep my nails like that. It's like my jewelry collection, but for my hands. If there is anything that you guys want to see on my channel, let me know in the comments. I would like to create more content and for sure I can use new ideas. Thank you so much for watching my video today and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Take care. Just stay tuned. I don't know what I'm saying. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.